Welcome back to another one of Jake's Fixer-Uppers. Today we're going to be destroying, or fixing, an old tablet. Now, so the general plan is we're going to get inside of it, really just find what the problem is. And then, once we figured out the problem, then we're going to try to put it back together. And today, I'm trying a new method, but that's going to happen at the end of the video. So, let's just dive right in. Okay, first, I think we're just going to assess the problem. We really don't need this case. It's just useless and has done nothing. So let's just take that right off. And also, you gotta, when you're doing these fixer-uppers, you gotta make sure that you're completely protected, and so that's why I'm wearing safety gloves and goggles. And also, I wouldn't recommend doing this unless you're a trained professional like me. Okay, so, you know, we don't need that case anymore. So yeah, let's just, you know, really get right in here. So we're gonna take a chisel and a hammer. The glass just comes right off. It's super, like, you don't need the glass for these things. They're just, I don't even know why they put them on there, really. So, you know, this is going to do no damage to your tablet at all. It may look like we're doing a lot of damage, but I mean, really, we are just doing nothing to this. This is just, I mean, this is probably like what it should look like, but, you know, the manufacturers just don't know what they're thinking by putting all this glass on. There, as we can see, the glass has been removed. Okay, so once we've gotten that all off, we can just put the glass to the side. You don't want to make sure that it doesn't fall on the ground, so you know, you don't step on it and you're all safe or whatever. Okay, so then we're going to take our drill with the drill bit in there, just start drilling right in. Oh, yes. Yes. Woo! Oh, it comes off super easy. Well, look at that. Just basically rip that right off. Okay, now we're on to the third layer. Yep, now it's just basically some film. And then we're getting back to some more glass. I don't know why they want so much glass on here. Oh, good stuff, good stuff. Okay, so now it's, I mean, you know, looking great. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to put this, just clamp it right on to the table. Now it's nice and clamped. Yeah, that's what you want. Now, we're going to take the hammer, just, you know, and do the general hammer motion. We're gonna go back to the chisel, you know, try to get some more stuff off. Ah, here we go. Yeah, perfect. See, this is the good stuff of the tablet, because, you know, as you can see, yeah, you can see, I think that's the battery, and yeah, and so